What happens after your client walks out the door? For many clinicians, that's the part we never fully see. A client leaves the session feeling lighter. They finally connect the dots. They understand why they've been stuck in the same pattern, and for the first time in weeks, they feel hopeful. Then life happens. They return to work. They navigate family responsibilities. An unexpected conflict comes up. Anxiety resurfaces. The emotions that felt manageable during the session suddenly become overwhelming again. By the time the next appointment arrives, the breakthrough that once felt so clear has faded into the background. Not because the client didn't care, not because therapy wasn't effective, but because there was no structure helping them stay connected to the work between sessions. That's where continuity becomes so important. Therapy isn't just about what happens during the 50-minute session. It's also about what happens in the days that follow, when clients begin applying new insights to real-life situations. With PathwayNotes, clients have a secure space to continue that process. Instead of relying on memory, they can capture thoughts, emotions, challenges, and victories as they happen. Guided journaling and structured reflection encourage clients to pause, recognize patterns, and stay engaged with the therapeutic work they're already doing. These reflections aren't about replacing therapy or creating more homework. They're about helping clients build awareness in the moments that matter most. When the next session begins, the conversation doesn't have to start from scratch. Clinicians can review organized summaries and meaningful reflections before the appointment, allowing them to understand what happened between sessions and focus on what matters most. The result is a therapy experience that feels more connected. Clients don't have to spend the first part of the session trying to remember what happened during the week. And clinicians can spend less time catching up and more time helping clients move forward. At its core, PathwayNotes is designed to support continuity of care. Because healing doesn't pause when the session ends. Growth happens in everyday moments, and those moments deserve a place to be captured, understood, and carried into the next conversation. If you're looking for a better way to help clients stay connected to their therapeutic journey between sessions, explore PathwayNotes and experience how continuity can strengthen engagement, preparation, and long-term progress. Start for free today at pathwaynotes.app.